artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever, and it's no longer just a thing of the future, it's here, and it's changing everything. In today's video, we're diving into 5 insane AI tools that will completely transform the way you work, create, and even live. Some of these tools are so powerful, they feel like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Make sure to stick around, because the last AI tool on this list is truly mind-blowing. 1. ChatGPT, the AI that thinks like a human. First up, we have ChatGPT by OpenAI. You might have heard of it, but if you haven't used it yet, you're missing out. This AI chatbot is capable of holding deep, meaningful conversations, helping with research, and even writing entire articles, essays, and scripts. Whether you're a student looking for homework help, a writer brainstorming ideas, or a business professional drafting emails, ChatGPT can save you hours of work. And with each update, it's getting even smarter. Some people are even using it to build entire businesses. Would you trust an AI to do your job? Let us know in the comments. 2. MidJourney, AI that turns words into stunning art. Ever wished you could create incredible artwork without years of training? With MidJourney, all you need are words. This AI art generator can take any text prompt and turn it into stunning, high-quality digital art in just seconds. From fantasy landscapes to hyper-realistic portraits, MidJourney is changing the art industry. Imagine being able to generate album covers, book illustrations, or concept designs with just a few words. Artists, designers, and even game developers are using this tool to supercharge their creativity. Do you think AI-generated art will replace traditional artists? Tell us what you think. 3. ElevenLabs, the most realistic AI voice generator. Coming in at number 3 is ElevenLabs, the most realistic AI voice generator available today. It can create ultra-human-like voices in multiple languages and even mimic specific speech patterns. This tool is already being used by YouTubers, audiobook creators, and businesses to generate professional quality voiceovers without hiring voice actors. Some companies are even using it to create AI-powered customer service reps that sound just like real people. Creepy or cool? Let us know below. 4. Synthesia, AI-powered video avatars. Imagine being able to create high-quality video content without ever stepping in front of a camera. Synthesia lets you do just that. This AI tool generates lifelike video avatars that can deliver speeches, marketing content, or training videos with just a text input. Companies are using Synthesia for virtual training. YouTubers are using it to create faceless content, and businesses are making AI-powered customer service videos. The best part? You can generate a professional-looking video in minutes without cameras, microphones, or editing software. Is AI video creation the future? Drop your thoughts below. 5. AutoGPT, AI that thinks and acts on its own. Now this is where things get really crazy. Our final AI tool, AutoGPT, is an AI agent that can actually think, plan, and take actions on its own. Unlike traditional AI tools, which require constant user input, AutoGPT can be assigned a task, and it will figure out how to complete it by itself. For example, you can tell AutoGPT to create a detailed business plan, and it will research, generate reports, and even suggest marketing strategies, all without any further human intervention. People are already using it for automating businesses, handling investments, and even writing code. But here's the real question. If AI can already do all of this, where does it stop? Could AI one day run entire companies without human workers? Tell us what you think. Final thoughts. The future of AI is here. We've just scratched the surface of what AI can do, and these 5 tools are only the beginning. The technology is evolving faster than we ever imagined, and it's going to transform our daily lives, businesses, and even the global economy. Some people say AI will make our lives easier, while others fear it might replace millions of jobs. So, what do you think? Which of these AI tools blew your mind the most? Have you tried any of them? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll be back with more insane